Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, not Umusa saying to Umayeni, listen, mina ngiphumile kuwena ngikutshele. Defending uSamke ukuthi uSamke ungenaphi. This is when Umayeni was busy saying, hey, indlu yami, hey, my house is falling apart. Kanti wena you saving money for uSamke. And uMusa was like, Musa ukufaka omunye umuntu, uSamke ungenaphi. My issue is with you is that uyangidelela, you disrespect me, and you don't operate correctly. Guys, yazi I've been thinking, Umusa, yes, I know Umusa Benomayeni, they had their own issues that made them not get married or made them break up and then they got back together. But my question is, guys, if Umusa really had a choice in a sense, do you really think Umusa would have taken Umayeni as a first wife? Because the way I see things, now I see why Umayeni would have never qualified to make it as first wife. And I think, guys, this should give us a little bit of appreciation towards Umatsele, right? I know we always come for Umatsele, but I always say this about myself. If I was in Umatsele's shoes, I am not so sure, Uguti, maybe I would have acted worse than her. You know what, you guys? Because I'm just like, Mayeni, ma'am. I say the way Umayeni is kwele, guys, and granted, but I'm just like, listen, if Umayeni was Umamkulu, guys, I doubt Lesis Tembo was going to be standing. I doubt, because listen, that woman, I don't want to say which she doesn't take nonsense, because I mean she's still in that marriage, and if you are still in that marriage, then it means to a certain extent you didn't take nonsense. Like, oh, you do take nonsense. But I'm just like, hi, Umayeni, you guys, I shame. Like, she can't contain it, and I understand why she can't contain herself, because I mean, this is her soulmate. These people have been sweethearts since I don't know when, but since they were young. But I'm just like, maybe I kind of get it. I just low-key feel like Umusa did not make Umayeni Umamkulu because of these tendencies. Because of Umayeni, guys, when she is fed up with something, she is not going to keep quiet about it. Uzogtshela, and like the way she tells Umusa ukuthi angisiyona ingane yakho wena, siyezwana. Like, listen, she will label, she will tell Umusa his news looking in straight in his eyes and not afraid of that. What the matter, like, guys, yes, she has her things of speaking up or speaking up to Umusa. But I feel like Umusa has his way with her. Like, not has his way, but he knows where to, he knows where to soften her in a sense to eventually get her to agree. So I'm even thinking, maybe Umusa, guys, he didn't make Umayeni Umamkulu on purpose. And maybe it had little to do with the fact that it was timing, they broke up and whatnot. Like, he intentionally did not want to make her wife number one. Because, guys, if she was wife number one, hi, it would have been a mess. It would have been a mess. Maybe she would not even have been there. Maybe it's Tembu Sakona. Like, imagine it's Tembu where Umayeli is Umamkuli. Yes, guys, it would have been in Nyaga. Because listen, one thing about Umayeli, Nyaga. And listen, she's not going to bow. She is not going to bend. She's not going to fold. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. But I have been saying, that conversation that Umusa had with Umayeni was awfully disrespectful. Like, what do you mean? You saying to your wife, like usamke, you coming to defend usamke, whereas you said usamke, you said to Samke that you don't defend any other wife, but there you are defending usamke benotobile in front of Umayeni. Yeah, guys, I'm a doda. Hey, beware. Anyway, guys, happy Vali. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.